Punctuation is a collection of symbols or marks that we use to properly explain the meaning of our sentences and keep the text flowing smoothly. It shows when we should take a pause, split ideas, indicates when a phrase is quoting someone else's words, and does a variety of other important things. First, colon. A colon is a fairly common punctuation mark with a varied number of uses. It can be used to introduce a quotation, an example, a series, or even an explanation. Also, it can be used to separate two independent clauses. Finally, a colon can be used to show emphasis. For example, I ordered these supplies: potatoes, sugar, flour, eggs and coffee. Here are some of my favorite foods: fried chicken, lobster, and corn. Second, parentheses. Parentheses are quotation marks that indicate additional thoughts about a statement. In many cases, they can be replaced with commas without altering the meaning of the sentence. For example, the two brothers, Rohit and Mohit, were learning how to play guitar. I miss Nisha, my best friend from primary school, every day. Third, brackets. Brackets are squared-off quotations that are used to show information of a technical nature. Even if this information is omitted entirely, the sentence would still make sense. For example, he loves painting stones. Fourth, ellipsis. This punctuation symbol is used to show that there has been an omission of some letters or words. In many cases, ellipses are used to cut statement short to avoid unnecessary or irrelevant words that have no impact on the meaning of the statement being made. For example, I was running. Fifth, slash. A slash, which is also known as a forward slash, a virgule, or even an oblique dash, has a number of uses. The slash can be used to separate lines in a song or poem when they are written in a continuous line. For example, each person is free to live his/her own life. That dormitory is reserved for seniors/graduate students/staff. Sixth, dash. The dash is used to separate words into statements. There are two kinds of dashes, the N dash, and the M dash. The N dash shows range or connections. N dash. Slightly wider than a hyphen, the N dash is used in writing or printing to indicate a range or connections. For example, 1880 to 1945. M dash. Twice as long as the N dash, the M dash can be used in place of a comma, parenthesis, or colon to enhance readability or emphasize the conclusion of a sentence. For example, she gave him her answer, no. Thanks for watching. And keep learning with Nexul.